strategies how to give them.
Presiden ke MPCC ubah Vincent H. Palau Long baka Seng kadan Ngut ki Kyrtong baile Pyrshah Seng haki Artli ki Constituency hari luom garo. Kini ki kenthop ya ka Salman Para bat Karkuta Constituency. Habakna bakla patai kubor ubah Palau Long baka Seng kamdon la da kumwei pat Henry ben pendu tiket no ya unong yalam samla na Salman Para berwei pat Kyrtong na Karkuta. Uloong ba unong mikmat na gambagre usalang sang mau lai kren bekinong yalam ka AICC hanong ba Delhi ba on sa penyes no bat ka Seng halor ka kendon ba on bah artlik syuki u kawai kede ka syuki jong uhi bat kawai kede ka si ba marjan ka Salman Para ha ka balat mu ban ai tiket ya unong yalam samla ka Seng ulakam ba ka rai ka Seng kalawan ra ka jeng bitar kinong yalam samla.
So when Seng joined the Congress, he had negotiated with AICC in Delhi. So after we finished the negotiations, he has conditions that 2 seats should be given to him. One is his own seat and one is the neighboring seats, where it happens that one of our youth leaders supposed to be given a ticket.